Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is September 19th on a Tuesday, and taking a quick look at the markets here. The SPYs, after looking like it wanted to break out to the upside, now we're back down at the bottom of this range and actually gapping down some today. So need to hope you're bullish. You'd like to see it hold on to this level. Maybe we get an open and some buyers come in. Wouldn't surprise me at all the way this market's been back and forth lately. Let's take a look at some opportunity today, though. I mentioned this ARES yesterday. This is still hanging on pretty well. A couple of scares the last couple of days, but the bulls bought it back, and it did close above its 10-period moving average. So one that's still on the radar for me for sure. Same goes with this INSM. I mentioned it yesterday, and once again, holding that 10-period moving average. Although if it does break this 26, it could get ugly there. So be careful with that one. Well, I feel like it should have gone by now, but nonetheless, still on the radar. HIG holding up pretty well, actually. You're seeing, even though nowhere. Well, I should take that back. It's not too far off its yearly high there, but nonetheless, some volume coming in and holding up well. Its relative strength compared to what the market's been doing the last couple of days. So look for a break above that 3-day high in HIG. VST, okay, this is setting up nicely here. It looked like it was going to break down below that 10-period. Huge volume, not sure what that was. Maybe it was added to one of the S&P indices or something, but nonetheless, looking tasty there in that VST. One more real quick, ESTC, and there you have it. Even though it did close slightly below that 10-period moving average, holding up very well. Look for maybe a 3-day high there to push to 80 again. All right, have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.